Two powerhouse names in AI content creation, one all about stunning video, the other obsessed with extraordinary voices. Pika Labs versus ElevenLabs. Which one really delivers? On the left, Pika Labs, making creative AI video generation fun. And on the right, ElevenLabs, setting the bar for ultra-realistic AI voice synthesis. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real details. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might actually surprise you. Here's our roadmap for the showdown. We'll compare Pika Labs and ElevenLabs on primary focus, pricing, output quality, creative features, target users, performance and speed, use cases, and accessibility. Everything you need to know right here. First off, can we talk about what these tools are even for? Pika Labs is totally dialed in on creative AI-generated videos. Like, you can turn text prompts into wild animated scenes. Super experimental vibes. Nope, not much happening with audio here. On the flip side, ElevenLabs is all about voice and audio creation. If you want ultra-realistic voiceovers or multilingual audio, this is the tool. Just don't expect it to give you any visuals. It's really a tie in terms of focus. Videos versus voices. All right, let's talk money. Pika Labs actually gives you a free tier, 80 credits a month to fool around and try stuff, which is honestly awesome for testing. Paid plans start pretty low too, just $8 a month. But if you want to ditch the watermark, yeah, that jumps up to $28 a month. ElevenLabs tries to pull you in with a free 3-month trial and gives you solid API and platform access. The catch? Once you get to premium or enterprise features, it climbs in price, so it's less budget-friendly for solo creators. Verdict? Pika Labs is easier on the wallet for most folks. Moving on to output quality. Pika Labs is genuinely fun if you love creative, weird, or surreal video clips. These are short, like 2 to 4 seconds max. You'll get some lo-fi gaming vibes, not National Geographic realism. But it's super quick. 90 seconds gets you a 3-second video. Now, ElevenLabs, oh, and here's something cool. Its voices can sound so human, you might forget it's AI. It nails pitch, emotion, flow, all that broadcast-ready stuff. But remember, it's audio only. For pure output quality, ElevenLabs definitely takes the win. Quick side note, did you know Pika Labs and ElevenLabs have actually joined forces lately? Yeah, now you can combine AI-generated video with broadcast-quality voice for super immersive content. That's wild, right? Let's talk creative features. Pika Labs brings all the visual effects magic, melt, squash, explosions, and you can use reference images to guide your generation. There's even an inspiration library if you're stuck. Multiple aspect ratios too, so you can tailor things for different platforms. Downside, realism is limited, and those clips are short. ElevenLabs does rock voice cloning and supports lots of language workflows, but there isn't much room for unusual or quirky audio manipulation. So if you want to play and experiment, Pika Labs wins this round. Who are these tools actually for? Pika Labs is like candy for social media creators, meme makers, artists, even teachers who want to jazz up lessons. It's not going to replace a full film studio, though. ElevenLabs is geared toward big business. Think healthcare, customer service, audiobooks, and language learning. Individual creators can use it, but its heart's in enterprise. So honestly, whether you're a creator or enterprise, each one has their crowd. I'd call this one a tie. Now, performance and speed. Pika Labs is pretty impressive. It's fast, thanks to lean models, doesn't eat up your computer, and is generally low cost. But surprise, sometimes there's a queue, and if too many people jump on, the project might even time out. ElevenLabs leans heavy, more resource intensive, but wow, is it dependable for bigger jobs. APIs are solid, and quality stays the same no matter how big you go. For speed and reliability, ElevenLabs edges ahead, but Pika keeps things affordable. Still, the win goes to Pika Labs for most users. Use cases are huge. With Pika Labs, you're looking at short social media posts, reels, video memes, or even music video prototypes. And yeah, visual metaphors for those who like their content a little artistic. But it's short form only. ElevenLabs? Oh, this is where things get wild. You can automate customer service calls, create reminders for healthcare, teach languages, narrate audiobooks, and even dub over videos, which, by the way, it's recently teamed up with Pika Labs to do. It's the clear winner if you need audio for professional or practical use. Accessibility, last but not least. Pika Labs is super easy to just hop on, sign up, and start playing. The whole thing feels intuitive, and you get a free tier to experiment. Only thing is, sometimes the platform gets super busy and you may hit availability issues. ElevenLabs has platform and API access, free trial, and is built for big teams. But let's be real, it's a little more intimidating for newbies. So for pure accessibility and fun factor, Pika Labs wins this one. Here's a quick look at both tools side by side. Pika Labs brings creative video to everyone, while ElevenLabs dominates audio quality and professional use cases. It's all about what your project needs. Okay, bottom line, if you want playful, creative video clips for social or artistic stuff, Pika Labs is your best bet. If you need pro-grade audio, voice synthesis, or want to work at scale, go ElevenLabs. And honestly, they make an epic combo. Want to create amazing AI-powered content with seriously cool results? Try both Pika Labs and ElevenLabs. See which one clicks best with your creative workflow.